Yung lucky charm.
Please support po natin guys, Mark Douglas, Team Sarah for Voice of the Philippines Season 2. Maraming salamat po.
And I think you'll see the rest of Team Sarah later. Tama ba, Dogs? Hopefully. Alright.
Showbiz sa mga sagot. Nakakaya ako matandang video.
Alam mo naman.
I'm leaning on the everlasting arms. If I can see, then I can do it. If I just believe it, there's nothing to it. I believe I can fly. Yeah. I believe I can touch the sky. Come on, everybody.
And think about it every night and day.
Yeah.
Spread my wings and fly away.
I believe I can soar.
Yeah, that's good.
See you running through that open door. I believe I can fly.
I believe I can fly. I believe I can fly. See, I was on the verge of breaking down. Sometimes silence can seem so loud. There are miracles in life I must achieve. But first I know it starts inside of me. Oh, if I can see it, then I can do it. If I just believe it, there's nothing to it. Come on, everybody! I believe I can fly. Come on.
I believe I can touch the sky. I think about it every night and day. Spread my wings and fly away. I believe I can soar. See you running through that open door.
I believe I can fly. I believe I can fly. Oh, I believe I can fly. Oh, yes. 'Cause I believe in you. Oh, if I can see it, then I can do it. If I just believe it, there's nothing to